Gondor Hairtail cutting machine. 304 stainless steel body. Sharp and corrosion resistant. Customizable as per requirements. Adopts anti-leakage design. Equipped with emergency stop button. Customizable cutting size. Adjustable speed with frequency converter. Separate discharge for different parts. Fish pieces do not stick together and are free of debris. Efficient and precise cutting. Smooth cut surface without debris. Suitable for a variety of food materials. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.